Sige, ano pang kanta na gusto mo? Sulitin nyo na to dahil minsan lang to. Kaya next week, babalik ulit kayo ito, araw-gabi. Okay, let's go. Tapos yung request ni boss, yung bukas na natin tamamaan. Okay.
An ordinary brush can be more time behind Lara.
Kami sponsor.
Cavities. That's why I switched to Oral-B Electric. Its round brush can remove up to 100% more plaque.
Oo, kasi electric.
Cavities make it.
Nananatag